Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create a customer receipt. Customer receipts are created when the payment is received from a customer for goods or services rendered. How to create a new customer receipt. To begin, head to Customer Receipts under the Sales tab. Now click on New Receipt. Enter the necessary details, including date, account, customer name. Enter the required amount. Now to save the receipt, click on Save Changes. Your customer receipt is now created.
How to print the customer receipt. Go to Customer Receipts. Choose the receipt that you want to print. Click on Print icon. Choose your printer and click on Print. And you are done. How to edit or delete customer receipt. Go to Customer Receipts. Choose the receipt that you want to edit. Click on Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. And now to delete the receipt, click on the Delete icon. And you are done.
Thank you for watching.